homeless to Forbes list, these niggas bring no stress. I feel like Moses, I feel like I'm chosen. And if you ain't my nigga, then your girl single to me. I don't give a damn if a nigga said you knew me. Grew up with no father, so nobody ever son me. My flow too sick, Kevin Costner couldn't touch me. I know you wish that nobody ever loved me. I feel useless when I'm never making money. Well, this the life we always fantasize. Rich folk problem through a Queen Street nigga's eyes. Every time you see me pulling up in the Ventadors, just know we've been grinding on them sidewalks. Sidewalks save my life. They don't never lie. Sidewalks save my life. They show me on the side. They don't let me down, but they lead me on. They don't let me down, but they lead me on. They lead me on.
Say, I come from murder, one grunt, late night melee. Say, we hung our summer sprung mattress with baby. Say, tripping off die game, my name strike with payday. Say, flipping blue lightning, tight name strapped with AK. Say, OG one told me, one showed me, one 8 ways. How to segue, pussy, power, profit, and headache. I reminisce my life innocence, or life innocent, or life intimate with fame. Like limited with like women, dark women, and it all in a good game. She wanna hang with a star boy, the sun and the moon and star boy. Astronomer, anonymous, I line them up, we grind them up. It's 9 of us and 5 of us. I probably fuck, she mollied up, I tallied up all the parts, boy. 20 legs, arms, head, more head. Oh, God bless the dead. I'm living life, high life. I wear my trophies all to bed. I'm the greatest nigga, what you scared to say it? I wanna rock, I wanna cop more land. I never stop, I wanna quit, get bands on the bill. If it ain't one, rape everything. I'm a hustler, came from.